With so much going on in the economy and the cost of living getting really high, many people need ways to make some extra income. And in this video, I'm going to share with you a way where you can make $2,000 within 24 hours. Now, if you're a person that needs to make some extra income, drop it in the comment section how much additional income that you need monthly to help you get out of debt and to help you meet your monthly obligations so I can make more videos for you. Now, with me, I started in an industry called property preservation. Now, with this property preservation, you're working with banks on foreclosed properties or pre-foreclosed properties. And with the banks, with property preservation, many times they need services to be performed on these properties. Now, sometimes if this property is in the verge of actually going to the market to be sold, the banks may need a number of services. And one of the main services they may need is a clean out. So many of times people leave their stuff behind because the reason why they're in foreclosure, it could have been a death in the family, a divorce, and people just move out and they give up hope and they take as many items as they can. But many of times, a lot of stuff get left behind. So in order for the bank to sell that property or get it turned around to show, many of times they need that stuff cleaned out. They want the house empty. So you can perform those clean out services. And it really doesn't take much to do it. Many people think you may need a truck or a dump truck, things like that to do a clean out. You can actually just rent a U-Haul to perform these clean outs. And the banks want them done within a 2-day period. So you can get these clean outs done and make that extra income within 48 hours. And you can do this part-time. Now, what happens with these cleanouts? The banks want documentation on the process of it being done. So many of times what they want you to do is go to the property beforehand and bid on how much you would charge for this cleanout. So they will want you to go to the property, take pictures of the items that's there. And they want you to tell them how much you would need to clean out that property. You want to look at how much needs to be cleaned out and give the banks your price of what you would perform that service for. Many of times, if these places have a lot of stuff in it, you can charge a lot more for that clean out. So if it's about $6,000, you can let the bank know that's what it's going to cost in order to do that. And many people that perform clean outs, even with my crew, there were some guys that I just paid to do the clean outs for me. And they would just get a U-Haul truck and I would pay them to do a portion of the clean outs and I would get the contract with the banks. So even if you're a woman, you don't have to feel intimidated like you cannot perform these services. You can just broker out and work with some guys that can do the clean out for you. And if you're a male, you might want to get a friend or two to help you clean out these properties yourself. This can be another way that you can actually bring in income for yourself on a part-time basis. Now, with doing these services, the banks do need you to have a background check, and they have a company that they mostly all work with, which is Aspen Grove. If you get that background check, it's about $75 and you do it one time and you get that Aspen Grove number from the background services. It does have to be renewed every year, but most of the companies in the industry will use that background check for the whole year. So you can just give them your Aspen Grove number. And with this, you will be able to pick up multiple contracts in order to perform these clean outs. Now, I do have these companies in my book with field inspectors and property preservation. And this is in all 50 states. If you're interested in finding these companies, you can find this book in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section if you're interested in getting in that industry. But I'm going to share with you a website right now that you can sign up to perform these clean outs. Now, this company is called A to Z field services. Now, this is a nationwide field services company, and you can see here you can become a vendor, and they are across all 50 states in the United States. And you can do and perform different services with this company in the field service and the property preservation industry. Now, here are some of the services that they actually offer. And so they have a range of services that you can perform with this company. Now, you can go to this company's website. I will leave it here, and you can sign up here to be a vendor. And just keep in mind, this is a business. So many of these companies do want you to get liability insurance in order to do these cleanouts and work in the property preservation industry. For me, myself, and our company, it cost me $129 a month to get that insurance, but it's worth it, especially if you want to get in the property preservation business and be able to make some additional income. Now, hopefully, this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. More detailed questions for me, you can go to my website, and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.